Hello everyone, welcome to AvgJoeWatchReviews, where we do more than just reviews. Today we're going to go into the new releases from Tudor, and also I'm going to share my opinion as to why I think this was a failure to some of the small-wristed gentlemen out there, and ladies, who was looking for a little something different. So I know a lot of you guys clicked because you saw the thumbs down, and actually that's not my personal opinion, but that is the opinion of a lot of the smaller wristed people out there, that even though the Black Bay Pro went to 39 millimeters, unfortunately the case size or the thickness is still at a 14.6, which is right about what the Black Bay GMT 41 millimeter is. So let's start with the Black Bay Pro. The Adventures Black Bay is what it's also known as. And if you guys haven't already noticed, that this actually has huge homage vibes of the vintage Explorer 2 from Rolex. So the Black Bay Pro actually comes in 3 different variations. You've got the stainless steel, the riveted steel bracelet, with the updated clasp, by the way, I did notice that. And that comes in at $4,000 MSRP. Then you've got the hybrid rubber and leather strap and the black fabric with yellow band. Both of those MSRP coming in at $3,675 USD. So Tudor is actually using the impressive COSC certified Calibre MT5652, which is again the in-house movement from Tudor. So we are getting 200 meters or 660 feet of water resistance. You're getting a 24-hour fixed bezel in satin brushed steel, which can have its advantages over a painted aluminum bezel, because I own quite a few of those and they are prone to scratching the paint and you can't touch those up. Whereas if you have a stainless steel bezel, you can actually polish that out or brush it out, whatever the finish may be. Now here you're getting a black dial with the dome sapphire crystal. And if we can just go back to the movement just for a moment, there is a power reserve of about 70 hours, which actually matches what the 41 millimeter bigger brother actually houses. You are getting a screw down winding crown with this Tudor rose on the crown itself. And you do get the self-winding mechanical movement with the bi-directional rotor system. So if you notice the crown in comparison to some past Tudors, the crown is actually flush to the case. There is also the new bracelet clasp with the Tudor T-Fit rapid size adjustment system. Does help with on-the-fly adjustments, and it's totally easy to use, requiring no tools, and it does offer 5 positions. It does allow you to get the fine adjustment that you need on the fly. When we take a closer look at the dial, you've got the traditional snowflake hands, you've got that bright yellow GMT hand, which really sticks out, especially against that black background. And you've also got the faux patina, which helps with the vintage vibes of this piece. Setting the in-house Calibre GMT actually has a separate function for the hour hand, which you can actually jump independently, and that is also how you click the date over as well. Before I reveal the Tudor that I chose to purchase and have here in the studio, I wanted to get into the Black Bay GMT, otherwise known as the Traveler's Black Bay. And the big change here is the gold tones that are on the watch. We're not looking at solid gold, obviously, at this price point, but we are looking at a gold plating that's proprietary to Tudor. So the other new GMT released by Tudor is the Black Bay GMT, the Traveler's Black Bay. Now, they actually have 6 different variations, 3 of them are brand new and 3 are existing prior to. Now, I will give you a clue that I did purchase one of these variations, so we're getting close to that moment to show you the reveal of the new Tudor that I received. So, we're looking at the two-tone Black Bay GMT S&G, which is a 41mm steel case, which is yellow and gold with the riveted bracelet. You also will get the leather version and the NATO version. You're going to pay $55.50 USD for the bracelet, and you're going to be paying $4,300 USD for leather and the NATO. The existing ones you're getting in stainless steel, again 41mm, and that is the Pepsi version of the GMT. So the specs on this particular model, you're looking at a 41mm and close to 15mm in thickness. Now, the movement is the Calibre MT5652, which is COSC certified, and it's the same movement that's used in the 39mm. It is the self-winding bidirectional rotor system, and you're getting the power reserve of about 70 hours. Now, Tudor doesn't make mention of anything regarding the yellow gold, except for the fact that it does have it, but common sense would tell us that this is obviously not solid gold, otherwise this watch would be at a significantly higher price. So that's where I'm going to leave it off there. We are getting, again, 200 meters of water resistance, the 48-notch bidirectional rotating bezel in yellow gold, and you're getting the black dial with the dome sapphire crystal. Unfortunately, with the 41mm versions, you are getting the older Tudor clasp, so there is no quick function in regards to the adjustments. So if that's something that you're looking for, you're going to have to opt for the 39mm version. All right, so which one did I pick up? Well, I actually went with the Pepsi GMT, the 41mm, and this one is a beaut. I'm going to give you guys some shots here of the watch, just a sneak peek, because I'm actually going to give you guys a more detailed view of this watch in an upcoming video. And also tune in next week as I show you my adventures at the Luxury Bazaar as I choose the watch, and just kind of take you through the process and my initial reaction to seeing the watch in person for the first time. So there you go, guys. Let me know down below which watch you would choose out of the lineup, and also what do you guys think of my choice in regards to the Tudor that I purchased. I'd love to hear your thoughts down below, and also please don't forget to subscribe and click that like button. That also is really the most charitable way to help support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember that there's always time to be kind to one another. Please take care of each other, and I'll see you guys next time on AvgJoeWatchReviews. God bless, my friends.